you are going to want to enlist some help. I got one of my studio moms to help me with photographing the young Picassos and piano players camps and the nature and music camp. She was an excellent photographer. I had seen some of her posts on social media, and I said to her, "Hey, I will make a deal with you to get your kiddo in free for the camp if you will give me some pictures." And so that worked out really great for me because she did an excellent job. You could offer a discount to a mom for some videos and some pictures. So think about getting some help. You don't want to have to be thinking about taking pictures while you're teaching the camp. And those people that have an eye for those artsy shots are really going to help you. And then think about your high school students. They can be good photographers too, college students, and you can hire them for pretty cheap as studio assistants, and they can help teach the younger kids. So this is so much fun to just get some help in for the camp, and you won't be so overwhelmed.